The Big Sneeze by Ruth Brown.
Now it's time to hear the story. Click on the green arrow when you want to go to the next page. Click on me if you want the pages to turn by themselves.
One hot afternoon, the farmer and his animals were dozing in the barn. The only sound was the buzz, buzz of a lazy fly. Suddenly, the buzzing stopped. The fly had landed on the end of the farmer's nose. Achoo! The farmer sneezed so hard that the fly was blown high up into a spider's web. This disturbed the spider, who captured the fly, which alerted the sparrow, who chased the spider. This wakened the cat, who leapt at the bird. Which woke the dog and frightened the rats, who fled from the barn, chased by the dog. Which scattered the startled hens from their roost. And panicked the terrified donkey. What on earth have you done? Shrieked the farmer's wife. Nothing, my dear, replied the farmer. I only sneezed.